Welcome to another episode of VLOGMAS series. And today we are decorating our Christmas tree. Yes? Penny is decorating her Christmas tree. We are all ready for Christmas. Yay! This is my sweet Santa helper. This is my sweet helper. Huh? Thank you. We came to check out some Christmas trees. Wow, these decorations are so pretty. These are some fresh trees. Yeah, these are fresh ones. They smell so good. But we got an artificial tree. It's pre-lit, so we don't have to buy lights with it. And also, we don't have to buy a tree every year. We can use this one only. So that's why we got an artificial one. Penu, see? Dad is putting lights on. See? Here. Wow! Wow! Yay! That's so beautiful. Isn't it, Penny?
The next day.
What happened? So many touch. Let's start. I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna put this somewhere. Don't eat my ginger. Don't eat my ginger. Do you want it? You want the ginger? See, we will put this.
Few moments later.
Some beautiful cards sent by Penny's friends. And this is Penny. Looks good. happy.
Let's open your Cavalier Secret Santa gift.
Penny and pen. Penny, see? Let's first see the card. Sent with love. Have that kiss.
Penny.
Oh, this also has a Cavalier on it. Dear Santa, exactly how good are we talking? Merry Christmas, Riley and Kim Hansen. Penny and family, my mom and I wish you a joyous holiday and a perfect new year. We hope you enjoy your toys and treats. We love participating in Cavalier Secret Santa and this is our 3rd year to do so. We love making new friends. Love, Riley and Kim. Thank you, Riley and Kim. This is so beautiful. Penny, come. Let's open your toys now. Let's see what we get. What you got? Let's see. You wanna help Mama in opening them? Please help it. Such a beautiful wrapping paper. Some dog treats. Milk. Oh, that's so cute. What is it? That's a tortoise. Who's tortoise? So cute. One more treat. Dog chew bones. Wow. Oh, I think that's for me. That's so cute. Thank you. Penny, your favorite tug of war toy. Favorite rock toy. It's so pretty.